No shopping, no cooking, no cleaning, $60 and 10 hours a week saved. This is what our new clients report. But our long-term clients have a different perspective. They talk about the quality of time they save. They feel energized and vibrant after months of Meal Prep Sunday. Their newfound ability to play longer, run faster, focus more intensely makes the time saved even more valuable. Diet has a significant impact on various aspects of our lives, including our skin, hair, and digestive system. And with clean organic meals, you can improve these areas. Quality food plays a crucial role in maintaining your hormonal balance, which in turn affects the health of your hair, skin, and gut. If you have acne, problems with your hair or gut, could you imagine reversing those? We can give your time back. We can help you save money, but we can also help get your confidence back if you lost it. We can help you get your health back if you lost it. We'll support you on this journey to rediscover your best self. And when you come back, you'll be even stronger than before. Everyone would like to improve their hair, skin, and gut health, and who doesn't want to have more energy? But if you're interested in improving the quality of your life, if you want to improve your day-to-day well-being, you found what you're looking for. And we'll extend you a 50% off discount off your first order. That's $5.90 a meal with no contracts, no cancellation fees. You have nothing to lose, but you can gain so much.